Hello, 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 welcome, welcome, hello, hello students, hello students,
Good morning to all. So, yesterday lecture we have the seen that is a formula for compound angle, sine A plus B. Yes, what is sine A plus B? Sine A plus B, which is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B plus sine A cos B. Sine A minus B, same. That sine A minus B, which is equal to and sine A minus B, which is equal to sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. इथं दुसरा आवाज पण ऐकू येतोय. हां, आधीचा आवाज ऐकू येतो. So sine cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. Cos A plus B, which is equal to cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. Cos A plus A minus B, which is equal to cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. Also we have seen tan A plus B, which is equal to इथला आवाज कमी करून tan A plus B, which is equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Also tan A minus B, which is equal to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. Okay. Now we will see the examples depends on this. Okay. So all of you, yes, the slide is visible. स्लाइड दिसते सगळ्यांना. हॅलो, स्लाइड दिसते का सगळ्यांना? काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर सांगा. हॅलो, माझा आवाज येतोय सगळ्यांना? हॅलो. Yes, my dear students, if you recall yesterday's formula, then you can easily understand these examples. So today's examples depends on the yesterday's formula, that is a compound angle. Okay, so first example, tan 105 degree is equal to tan 60 plus 45 degree is equal to here we use which formula, that is a tan A plus B. Okay, so tan A plus B, which is equal to, what is the formula for tan A plus B? Tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay. अभी यहाँ पे A का वैल्यू क्या है 60 डिग्री and what is the value of B, that is a 45 degree. Okay, so tan 60 plus tan 45 upon 1 minus tan 60 into tan 45. Okay, now we know the value of tan 60, which is equal to root 3 and tan 45, which is equal to 1. Now putting the value of tan 60 degree and 45, so we get that is a root 3 plus 1 minus root 3 into 1. Therefore root 3 plus 1 upon 1 minus root 3. So this is a value of tan 105 degree. Okay, so convert this into the uh, sum of the, or convert this into the compound angle. 105 will be converted into 60 plus 45. So we get the value of tan 105 root 3 plus 1 upon 1 minus root 3. Now next example, cot 225 degree. Cot 225 1 upon tan 225 degree. So 225 degree can be written in the form of 180 plus 45. Okay, the sum of the standard angle, because we know the value of 180 and 45. Okay, so 1 upon here uh, we use tan a plus b. Okay, so what is the value of a here? 180 and b 45 degree. So 1 upon tan 180 plus tan 45 degree, 1 minus tan 180 tan 45 degree, 1 upon what is the value of tan 180? 0. 0 plus 1, tan 45 1, 1 minus 0. So we get that is a 1. Therefore cot 225 degree which is equal to 1. Okay, हे समजलं सगळ्यांना? Yes, all of you got my point. Got it? समजते का घाई होते? हेलो, हाँ. Next example, that is a, we have to show that this example, one minus tan x upon 1 minus tan x square, which is equal to tan pi by 4 plus x upon tan pi by 4 minus x. Okay, so consider RHS here. So what is RHS? Tan pi by 4 plus x upon tan pi by 4 minus x. Again we use here tan a plus b, and in the denominator tan a minus b. So this is exercise depends on all that is examples of compound angle. Okay, so you must recall the all that is a plus b, a minus b, sin a plus b, sin a minus b, tan a plus b, tan a minus b, cos a plus b, cos a minus b. Okay, so in the numerator we use tan a plus b. So tan a plus tan b. So what is the value of a here? Pi by 4. And what is the value of b? So tan pi by 4 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Tan pi by 4 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Okay, so after simplifying, what is the value of tan pi by 4? 1. 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus 1 into tan x. Similarly in the denominator, tan pi by 4 1 minus tan x, 1 plus tan x. Okay, here finally we get, after simplifying, 1 plus tan x, 1 minus tan x, divide this means multiply by its reciprocal, 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x, and this we want to prove. What is the denominator? 1 plus tan x bracket square, 1 minus tan x bracket square. Okay, next example, that is a LHS sin n plus 1a sin n plus 2a plus cos n plus 1a cos n plus 2a. Okay, so consider LHS, we have to prove that which is equal to cos a. Okay, now observe this. Yes, what we have seen here, this is which is in the form of sin a sin b plus cos a cos b, right? So what is the value of a here? n plus 1a. And what is the value of b? n plus 2a, है ना? अभी देखो ये जो है LHS कंसिडर किया हमने, तो ये अभी कौन से फॉर्म में है? हमारा जो फॉर्मूला है कॉस का, कॉस a माइनस बी, है ना. here so cos a minus b sin a cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Okay. So arrange this because we know that addition is a commutative, so we can arrange like this: n cos n plus 2a cos n plus 1a plus sin n plus 2a sin n plus 1a. Okay. So n plus 2a which is equal to small a, n plus 1 which is equal to b. Now cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Okay. So cos a minus b. Cos a minus b. What is value of a? N plus 2a minus n plus 1a. So simplify this: n plus 2 minus n minus 1. And cancel, 2 minus 1 1. Therefore which is equal to cos a. This we want to prove. Okay. Next example. That is a cos 15 degree minus sin 115 degree cos 15 degree plus sin 15 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3. Cos 15 degree minus sin 15 degree upon cos 15 degree plus sin 15 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3. Okay. So solution. Next example. See the next example. LH is root 2 cos pi by 4 minus a is equal to root 2 cos pi by 4 into pi by 4 minus a, that is a cos a minus b. Okay, so what is the formula for cos a minus b? So cos a minus b which is equal to cos a minus b which is equal to cos root 2 cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So under root 1 upon root 2 cos a plus 1 upon root 2 sin a. So the value of so the value of sin pi by 4 and cos pi by 4 which is equal to 1 upon root 2. So root 2 cos a plus 1 upon root 2 sin a is equal to cos a plus sin a. Okay. यहाँ पे cos a minus b का यूज़ किया हमने. cos a minus b, that is a cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So root 2 1 upon root 2 cos a plus 1 upon root 2 sin a, root 2 upon root 2 cos a plus sin a. So root 2 upon root 2 1 cos a plus sin a. Next, cos x plus y into cos x minus y, which is equal to, what is a x plus y? Cos a plus b. What is the formula for cos a plus b? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Similarly, cos x minus y, cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Again, which is in the form of a minus b and a plus b. We know the product of a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. Therefore, this can be written as cos x cos y bracket square minus sin x sin y bracket square. So, this can be written as cos square x cos square y sin square x sin square y. Okay. Now, we have to prove that cos square y minus sin square x. Therefore, first in the first term, cos square y that is converts into sin 1 minus sin square y cos square y minus sin square x as it is, because in the second term sin square term as it is, therefore converts sin square y 1 minus cos square y. Simplify this. Cos square y minus cos square y sin square x minus sin square x plus sin square x cos square y minus cos square y sin square x cancel. Therefore, we get cos square y minus sin square y. So, in the next example, we have to prove that tan phi a minus tan 3a upon tan phi a plus tan 3a is equal to sin 2a upon sin 8a. एक्सरसाइज 3.1 का ये जो सेकेंड इसके सब एग्जाम्पल वी आर लर्निंग नाउ. sin phi tan phi a can be written as sin phi a upon cos phi a minus sin 3a upon cos 3a. Cross multiplication, sin phi a cos 3a minus sin 3a cos phi a upon cos phi a cos 3a. Again in the denominator also take the cross multiplication, sin phi a cos 3a plus sin 3a cos phi a upon cos phi a into sin 3a. Therefore, here in the numerator we get sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Cos phi a cos 3a cancel. In the numerator, sin phi a cos 3a minus sin phi a sin 3a. Okay. Now, if we put phi a is equal to capital A, 3a is equal to capital B. So, the numerator can be written as sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Also in the denominator, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay. So, numerator which is in the form of sin a minus b. What is the value of a? Phi a and b 3a. So, numerator sin a minus b and denominator a plus b. Therefore, in this way we can prove sin 2 phi a minus 3a, that is a 2a, sin 2a upon sin 8a. Yes. समजते सगळ्यांना? कोणाला काय अडचणी आहेत असतील तर विचारा. नेक्स्ट example number 9. That is, here we have to prove that tan 8 theta minus tan 5 theta minus tan 3 theta is equal to tan 8 theta, tan 5 theta, tan 3 theta. Okay, so 8 theta is equal to 5 theta plus 3 theta. Tan 8 theta is equal to tan 5 theta plus 3 theta. So tan 8 theta which is equal to tan A plus tan B. Phi theta here a plus b है ना, a का वैल्यू 5 theta है, b का क्या है 3 theta. So tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. So tan 8 theta 1 minus tan 5 theta into tan 3 theta is equal to tan 5 theta plus cross multiplication किया pi theta plus tan 3 theta. Simplify this. Tan 8 theta multiply किया, tan 8 theta minus tan 8 theta, tan 5 theta, tan 3 theta, tan 5 theta plus 3 theta. Okay. So tan 5 theta plus tan theta shifted to LHS. Therefore, we get is equal to tan 8 theta. This we want to prove. Next example, example number 11. Cos 27 degree plus sin 27 degree, which is equal to cos 27 minus sin 27. Okay, so divide numerator and denominator by cos 27 degree. 1 plus sin 27 degree upon cos 27 degree. 1 minus sin 27 degree upon cos of 27 degree. Okay, so 1 plus tan 27 degree 1 minus tan 27 degree. So n, which is equal m1, can be written as tan 45 degree. Tan 45 plus tan 27 degree. 1 minus tan 45 plus tan 27. Okay, so so we get tan 45 plus 27, which is equal to tan 72 degree. Next example, example number 12. In this example number 12, here we have to prove that tan 10 plus tan 35 plus tan 10 degree into tan 35, which is equal to 1. Okay, so tan 10 plus 35, which is equal to tan 45. Now tan 45 is equal to tan 10 plus a plus b का यूज़ करेंगे. tan tan a plus tan b, 1 minus tan 10 into tan 35 is equal to 1. So tan 10 plus tan 35 is equal to 1 minus tan 10 into tan 35. This term we shifted to LHS. In this way we can prove tan 10 degree plus tan 35 plus tan 10 tan 35 degree is equal to 1. Okay. Example number 13. Cot A into cot 4A plus 1, cot A into cot 4A minus 1. So cos A upon sin A into cos 4A upon sin 4A. Sin 4A sin 4A plus 1. So cos A upon sin cot A can be expressed. We know the ratio of cot, that is a cos upon sin. Cos A upon sin A, cos 4A upon sin 4A minus 1. Cross multiplication. Cos A 4A plus sin A 4A upon sin A sin 4A. Cos A cos 4A minus sin A sin 4A. Cos sin A sin 4A. Okay, so observe the numerator. Sin A sin 4A cancel. Now in the numerator what we get? Cos 4A cos A plus sin 4A sin A. Cos 4A cos A minus sin 4A sin A. Okay, so numerator, which is in the form of A minus B. Cos A minus B, what is the value of A? That is 4A minus A. And in the denominator sorry, A plus B, 4A plus A. So cos 3 upon cos 5. Okay, so these examples. In the starting we have taken this example, but by mistake their solution is wrong. Now correct the correct solution of this. So LHS is what? Cos 15 degree minus sin 15 degree, cos 15 plus sin 15 upon 1 upon root 3. Okay, so dividing numerator and denominator by cos 15 degree, we get 1 minus sin 15 cos 15, 1 plus sin 15 degree cos 15 degree, 1 minus tan 15 degree, 1 plus tan 15 degree. Tan 45 minus tan 1 can be replaced as because we know the value of tan 45 1. Tan 45 minus tan 15. 1 plus 1 into 1, that is a tan 45 tan 15 degree. So this is a, yes, what is the formula? Tan A minus B. So tan A minus B, which is equal to tan A minus tan B. A minus B. What is the value of A here? 45 and B 15 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3. Okay. Yes, all of you got my point. All of you got my point. समजते सगळ्यांना का फास्ट होतं आहे? फास्ट होत असेल तर सांगा. समजतंय का सगळ्यांना? फास्ट होत असेल तर सांगा, मग स्पीड कमी करते मी. आता एक्झाम्पल जे होते ते आपले सगळे आतापर्यंत हां ए प्लस बी आणि ए मायनस बी वर होते, जे सगळे कंपाऊंड अँगल. हां, अडचण असेल तर विचारा चॅटवर. तुम्ही तुमचा जे प्रॉब्लेम असतील ते चॅटवर मला हे करा. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. If sin A equal to minus 5 upon 13, where A lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant. है ना? A is between pi and 3 pi by 2, means here A is in the third quadrant. What about cos B? Cos B, which is equal to 3 upon 5, where B lies in the fourth quadrant. Okay, so therefore cos is a positive. Okay, we have seen these examples, but we are separately find the value of cos A, cos B, cos A, tan A, sec A. Here we find the compound angle. Okay, sin A plus B, cos A minus B, tan A plus B. Okay, so what is a sin? Here we use sin A plus B. We know the value of formula for sin A plus B. Yes, sin A plus B, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Given sin A, which is equal to minus 5 upon 13. We are given this. Okay, so here A is lies in the third quadrant. Okay, what about the third quadrant? That the third quadrant only tan is positive, cos and sin both are negative. Remaining are negative, only tan and cot are positive. Okay, so sin A minus 5 upon 13. Here we use first identity. Yes, what is the first identity? Sin square A plus cos square A, which is equal to 1. Cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A is equal to 1 minus 5 upon 13 square is equal to 1 minus 25 by 169 is equal to 144 upon 169. Cos A, which is equal to 12 upon 13. So we get here A is lies in the third quadrant. So we get cos A is equal to minus 12 upon 13. Cos B, which is equal to 3 upon 5. Similarly, we get the value of sin B. Sin square B, which is equal to 16 upon 15. Here again sin is a negative because B lies in the fourth quadrant. Therefore we get sin B, which is equal to minus 4 upon 5. Now using this we can easily find the value. Sin A plus B. Yes, what is sin A plus B? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. What is the value of sin A? We have already find minus 5 upon 13. Cos B 3 upon 5 we are given. Cos A minus 12 upon 13. Sin B minus 4 upon 5. After simplifying we get minus 50 upon 65 plus 48 upon 65, which is equal to 33 upon 65. Similarly, we can find cos A minus B. Cos A minus B, which is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos A minus 12 upon 13, 3 upon 5 plus minus 5 upon 13 minus 4 upon 5 minus 36 upon 65 plus 20 upon 65. So which is equal to minus 16 upon 25. Similarly, we can find the value of tan A plus B. Before this, first find the value of tan A. What is the tan A? Sin A upon cos A. Sin A minus 5 upon 13, cos A minus 12 upon 13. 13 cancel, we get 5 upon 12. Tan B, which is equal to sin B upon cos B. Sin B, what is value of sin B? Minus 4 upon 5. 3 upon 5, which is equal to minus 4 upon 3. Tan A plus B, which is equal to tan A plus tan B. What is value of tan A? 5 upon 12 minus 4 upon 3. So 5 which is equal to, after simplifying, 15 minus 48, which is equal to minus 33. Minus 33 upon 36. And similarly here, that is a 36 plus 20, which is equal to 56. 56 upon 36. So finally we get minus 33 upon 56. Okay. So in this way we have seen exercise, all examples of exercise 3.1. If any doubts, please ask me. सगळे एक्झाम्पल घेतलेत आपण याचे. 3.1 which is depends on the compound angle. कोणाला काही अडचणी असतील तर विचारा. कोणाला काही अडचणी असतील तर विचारा. हॅलो, काही डाउट्स असतील तर विचारा. कंटिन्यू करू का पुढे? एक्सरसाइज 3.1 we have finished exercise 3.1. now I start next topic start करू का नंतर करू? हॅलो, का नेक्स्ट वीक मध्ये यायचा? हॅलो, हॅलो, कंटिन्यू करायचं का? tomorrow. Okay. Now our lecture is not tomorrow. Lecture is in the next week. Okay. So in the next week we will see this trigonometric function of allied angle. Okay. नेक्स्ट वीकमध्ये होईल तुमचं लेक्चर. आता डिव्हिजन वाईज होईल तुमचं लेक्चर. हे थोडा मध्ये इश्यू होता म्हणून कंबाईन घेत. अटेंडन्स घेते, थांबा. ओके. घेतली गेली का अटेंडन्स? कशी गेले तरी घेतली गेलं. सो
हॅलो,
जे चॅटवर आन्सर करत होते ते प्रेझेंट होते का?
हॅलो,
पण मुलांशी आपल्याला कॉन्टॅक्ट